Today we are making mini angel food cakes. These little cakes are light, fluffy and perfect for when you don't need a full-size cake. Let's get started. Sift the flour and cream of tartar. First, sprinkle inside of your cake molds lightly with water. This helps the batter to climb as it bakes. You'll need 56 grams of egg whites, 3 grams of vanilla paste or extract. Whip the egg whites and vanilla on medium speed until you reach soft peaks. Gradually add in the sugar in thirds. Whip until you get the maximum volume. Now gently fold in the flour and cream of tartar. Be careful to not deflate the egg whites. Divide the batter evenly into your prepared molds. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Once out the oven, invert the molds rack away and let the cakes cool upside down. This prevents them from collapsing. When they're completely cool, run a palette knife around the sides and center to release. Enjoy!